Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my group. We are from BELU4053. So, according to assignment Oshe, we should interview with 3 IR. Okay, so let's go.
Sure. My name is William Ho. So I'm a civil engineer. So I've been working for 30 years.
Oh, 30 years.
I graduated 1995. Belum lahir lagi ya. Yo, Aiman. So 1995, 2025, 30 years. So I've been working in many civil engineering is quite wide actually. So I've been involved in many projects, many companies, and then the recent company that I'm working with is about 13 years already. It's based in Malacca. It's doing reclamation project. You know reclamation? Reclamation is lifting tambak laut.
Yeah.
So that's the background.
So my name is BELU4053. So I own my own consultancy firm, specialized in civil and structural, and I have about 19 years of experience. Yeah, 19 years of experience.
My name is Junaina. So I have been become a lecturer in University of Technical Malaysia Malacca since 2009. But I graduated as engineer in 2005. So from that, I've been engineer since almost 20 years. Okay, and just recently, this year, on January, I have been appointed as professional engineer. Okay, so that's what I do now. Okay.
Definitely. No doubt about it. Engineering ethics is quite an important thing. So you see, if you are a professional engineer, you have to abide by the code of ethics. If you're a professional engineer, you need to, because it's regulated by board of engineers. All the engineers, if you want to be a professional engineer, you have to register with board of engineers. So board of engineers give you a license for you to practice IR. So once you're IR, they are the regulatory body. So dia macam AKTA lah. Dia is AKTA Jurutera 1967 Amendment 2023. Yes. Dia ada AKTA Jurutera. I forgot to bring that. So everything was there inside there. Basically the ethics is like what you can do, what you cannot do, what you're supposed to do. These are all these things. So you're going to abide by that. So if they give you a license, this is the law. So you tak follow, if you get caught or somebody report to you, then you'll be subjected to penalties and the fine or whatever the law says lah. What is allowed for lah, apa yang diperuntukkan dalam akta tu lah. Macam-macam law lah, macam law dekat Malaysia punya law lah. Let's say you pukul orang, you mencuri, you example, what is the hukuman, everything. So that's ethics. So to answer your question, yes, it's very important. Very, very important.
Yes, it is still relevant and it is important. Yeah, it is important because without Oshe, you cannot ensure the public safety within the work environment.
From what I know, as your feedback on me about the content of that subject, it is really relevant. Okay, because the subject include 2 items, which is the ethics of engineer and also the safety. Safety issues, how you deal with safety in the workplace. It is really relevant as you will implement that during your work career. Okay, after this, so that is must lah for student like you.
For me, because I work for that company, they have handbook. Garis panduan lah, they call it employee handbook. When next time you start kerja, the company, I work with the public sector company, so they have a handbook untuk employee. So they have handbook once I start working already, that handbook already email to all the staff, all the new staff. So dalam dia tulis lah macam-macam tentang activity lah, what you can do, what you can do. Everything is there. So basically, you abide by that lah. Then as for my professional one, before the company, I share with you some. Previously is engineering. We are, like I told you, it's like the board of engineers. Akta Jutra 1967, amended 2023. That one. Akta, dia ada satu akta. Akta Jutra 1967. So we abide by kita kena ikut
One of the items that we implemented in our company is we have a non-disclosure form. We ensure that all our employees sign to ensure that we didn't disclose our clients' information, and also this is one of the basic ethics. Whatever information that we got from the client, we ensure it is not disclosed to the outsider. And also in terms of ethics, they know that as an engineer, they have always practiced professionalism in their daily life in all the projects.
If I say tak ada memang tipu you, because this our world is up and down. Our world, my working life 30 years full of challenges. There are many temptations, dugaan, everything, all the cabaran. Yes, definitely. So what I do? I check with my boss. I'm not the boss. There will be always higher superior like dia atasan. Biar pengurusan email to them. Okay, I have this situation. How? So I discuss with them. Then we deal with it. Then on the professional side, then maybe I refer to friends in IEM, seniors lah. The board of how to do as an engineer. How if you have any problem, you refer to them. So it's good that you get involved in something. So sometimes nasihat bantuan guidance kan.
Okay. During my current role as lecturer, I do face some ethical situation, dilemma. For example, when we handle students that is not compliant or not satisfied their grade with what they already have, so they ask for some additional marks, something like that. It is not an integrity way to deal with. And another one thing, I also deal with consultation work with a company outside. So I deal with power system study on renewable energy integration and also battery energy storage. And when it comes to deal with them, they ask for some change in the result in order to make the system more attractive, which is not. We cannot do that lah. As a professional engineer, we should stick with what is the outcome of our study and report the truth lah about the study. So that is what I face and how I handle it lah.
Yes, once, but because we are, we are aware of the code of ethics, and I do not have any dilemmas, and I straight away decline. Yeah, straight away decline. Yes, I think that's very important in order to have a professionalism in your career. You have to know how to differentiate between the right and the wrong. Yeah, I think code of ethics is about that. It's about how you to have the trust from the public to you as an engineer. So I don't have any dilemma because I know what's right, what's wrong, and I decline. Yeah. Definitely by upholding the ethics. First thing, of course, you protect your company's reputations. Second thing, you prevent your company legal problems, because for example, you read a lot of news regarding ethics. Somebody taking bribes in projects related. Then they actually jeopardize the projects. So I think it's very important, not to take bribes and also be honest. So that will actually prevent the company in legal situations. Yeah. Other than that, I think being ethics also will, protect public safety. Because if let's say that you do not have ethics and you allow contractors to cut corners, it's actually back to the to the public, to the society.
The employers. Okay, so
The benefit is that you build a trust.
Yes.
You build a trust, so you know you're good, and people will come to you. So if you're crooked, people know, then your reputation spreads. People want to come with you. Either is want to employ you as a staff or as want to give you business. They also won't consider you because once this world is so small, if you're bad, word spreads around.
people just
Whether you're
like
good or bad, that's around, and especially when you're bad. Word lagi cepat orang dia boleh buat lah.
For the employers first lah, employers. So when the company have very high ethic, especially they already have the policy, the system that include all the safety, all the ethics. So investor will look forward for that company. They have more trust that company in order to invest anything, to deal with. And on the employee side, employee will be more safe in the surrounding, which is safe is a must and is uphold during their works, and also they don't feel any discrimination, okay, or lack of secure when they face with anything that make their life danger at the workplace.
One thing I noticed is very good that your start. This is a very good start. During my time, you tak ada university kat sekolah.
Oh.
Yes, so it's a very good shift to it. Now they started to make it like a subject in university level. This is a very good improvement already. This is a very good. I hope we can continue and in fact try to learn more before you step into this section. Because alam persekolahan tu memang lain dengan alam kerjaan. It's a different world. So in the school environment, you dah exposed tau. Dah exposed to all these things, dah belajar, dah tahu, when you know the concept, you tak ada macam culture shock. So it's very good, this ethic has been kena instill from young. Kalau boleh, from school time. This is one thing, to answer your question, memang yes. This one thing, have to do it early lah.
Siap. So we already improved lah because we
improved. This is why I was practicing. You know about Oshe, about everything, and you start to teach it. It's very good. Very good. Yes. My time tak ada sekarang. My time lama lah. Memang tak ada. Yeah. I learn as I come out. I learn on my own. As I work, I learn. So now, okay, bagus lah. Before you all graduate and come out to work in society as an engineer, you already know. At least ada some basic concept. Yeah, idea.
It's quite a good question.
I think that currently the code of ethics that BEM have is already very good already. It's already covered in many aspects. Yeah, what they can do better is that they can have more seminars to create awareness in the universities. Yeah, I think that's the basic thing that all engineering students should have, prepare them before they face the working world. So there are many.
Not just hear the lecture.
No. It's about. I think ethics is about trust, the fairness, and also being transparent. So even though you guys are engineering students, I think it's very important for you to practice that.